Hey guys, welcome back to Faith for Keto Kitchen, where we make keto delicious. So today we're going to make something that's floating around on the internet, Pinterest. It's very popular out there and it's really great for the keto diet. It's called egg roll in a bowl. So it's pretty much like an Asian type twist, and it's nice and delicious and filling. So let's get started. So what I have here is about a pound of ground beef. I use organic ground beef. I get it from Costco. Really good deal there for their money, for the amount that you get. So I cooked that down, got it nice and really cooked through. So once you do that, the other items that you will need in order to make this egg roll in a bowl is about 12 ounces of coleslaw. So I just grabbed any type of coleslaw, pretty much the same. I grabbed that one. This is 16, so we'll use about the majority of it. Sometimes I use the whole thing. You'll need some sriracha, some grated garlic or crushed garlic. You'll need some chicken broth. You'll also need some soy sauce. You want some scallions for the top of it, so you want to cut them up just for it gives it some flavor, but it looks pretty too, of course. And then you'll want a little bit of sesame seed oil, any brand will do, just to drizzle over it. So once you cook down your ground beef, and this is a super fast and easy recipe, all you're going to do is add the 2 tablespoons of chicken broth. You can add a little bit more. If you want it more wet, you can add a little bit more, if you want it more juicier. I just do the 2 tablespoons. That's what's on the website. So also, if you need this recipe, there's a link below, and click on it. It'll take you directly to the egg roll in the bowl. And then you add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. So guys, I love this because it, sometimes you crave this Asian food, or takeout, and this kind of tastes like takeout. It's really good, guys. So definitely give this one a try. And one thing about it is we like super simple and easy recipes. Okay, so I'm gonna turn that up to about maybe medium-high heat because you want to get those flavors all melt together, and that'll kind of absorb, all those flavors absorb right into the meat, okay? Okay, go ahead and let that get cooked up. I'm gonna turn it up a little bit more. So tell me guys, what's your favorite Chinese takeout? I miss Chinese takeout because I'm from New York, so generally we used to order all the time, especially pizza. But definitely the Asian food out there is just bomb. I mean, I'm in Vegas now. I have yet to find any type of Asian food that I can order in, or if that tastes really similar to, I don't know, the flavors back there. It's just amazing. I mean, where are you guys from? Are you from New York? Do you know what I'm talking about? Because if you do, comment and let me know. And, hey, and if you're from Vegas and if you know a place that can get me some Asian food that's delicious, hit me up and let me know. All right. So gotta let that cook. So I think that's cooked in good enough. So the next thing we're gonna add in is that garlic, the minced garlic. And guys, as you know, just in case I say the wrong amount, go ahead and check out the website, because sometimes I tend to alter stuff while I'm cooking live, just saying. So yeah, get that in there, get that garlic in there, and the garlic gives it that that Asian flavor, that pungent flavor, because most Asian dishes, they use garlic in them. Then we're gonna get some sriracha. Let's see, let's do 2 teaspoons of sriracha. Unless you want it spicier. If you want it spicier, you can add more sriracha. Alright? Ooh, guys, you know what? Of course, this is why I lead you to the website, because guess what? You actually needed 1/4 cup of that soy sauce. So we're going to add 2 more tablespoons of the soy sauce, guys, which, of course, that adds up to 1/4. My bad. But I get so excited, ready to eat the food, that I totally just throw all kinds of wrong sizes in there. Sorry about that. So that was 1/4 of the soy sauce, and toss it around really good. Let those flavors come together. It smells amazing. Let me just tell you right now. Okay, so that was that. I'm gonna turn it up a little bit more, get it up on high heat. All right, guys. So after you add the soy sauce and all these good ingredients, you're gonna grab your coleslaw. And all you have to do is about eyeball it. You know, you can literally add the whole thing in here and it wouldn't make a difference, and we just may do that. Let's see. All depends on how much you want. But yeah, because this one is a 16-ounce bag. But you can do 14, 16, you know, but you want to make sure that you have enough ground beef in there. There you go. To kind of melt together. You got stuff falling? So I like to cook mine. I think I'll just do 14 today. I like to just cook mine for like maybe a good 3 minutes, because I want that crunch, you know, because you know how when you eat into an egg roll, sometimes it's like al dente, it has that, you know, a little bit of a crunch to it. So I just like to cook mine down, about 3 to 5 minutes. Let's see. And nice and together. Man, it smells so good. You guys can smell this. Wow. Okay. So while this cooking a few seconds more, I'm going to add the teaspoon of your sesame seed oil. This is what really gives that Asian flavor. And sometimes, like when you're cooking something or when you go out to eat and you go, man, I want to duplicate what, you know, I ate, but what's that? What is that particular flavor? A lot of times it's oyster flavor sauce. A lot of Asian restaurants use, or sometimes, but most of the time it's that sesame seed oil that gives you that that umami, you know, flavor, and that depth of flavor that you really need. All right, guys. I told you this was fast, right, and easy. Guess what? We're done. So we're going to turn the burner off. We're going to try it. Super simple, guys. We like it simple here in the kitchen. All done. Look how beautiful that looks. Ooh, man. Looks so authentic. All right, guys. Because like you know, in Faithful Keto Kitchen, we want to take traditional recipes and just make them into keto friendly. And this will definitely be one that is totally keto friendly and absolutely delicious. So we get a little bit more in that bowl. Man, this is gonna be so good. Let's see, guys. Look at that. Ooh, it makes you want to make some, huh? Delicious. Let's give it a try. And of course I have to have my chopsticks, even though I eat with chopsticks all the time, I have to have my chopsticks to make it, you know, authentic. Here we go, let's try it, guys. Good. I like. You got a little bit of that spice from the sriracha in there. The flavors are so good together. So yeah, make this next time for your family. You see, you get a lot out of it. It yields a ton. So I think you can get at least about 6 to 7 servings out of this, depending on how big your bowl is. But anyway, definitely make this for your family. It's so delicious, easy to make. All right, guys, and definitely hit that bell if you want notifications, so that when I upload a video, you definitely know about it. And like this video if you really like it, and please subscribe, join the family, be a part of the Faithful Keto Kitchen crew, and we'll see you next time. Thank you guys. Have a blessed day. Bye, guys. Oh, I'm back, guys, because guess what I forgot? The scallions. So we're gonna top it with a few scallions. Yes, this is very important. That's why I came back to let you know. Top it with a few scallions, guys. Don't forget that part, because it still gives you more flavor. And now we're gonna taste it again, because I just want to eat again, that's all. Even better. Thanks, guys. Anybody. I'll talk to you guys later. Love you. Bye.